Hello folks, today we are doing a new construction inspection. What I wanted to share with you is my bottom cords of my trusses on my wall here. And I'll see if I can zoom that in here for you. But you can see that we have gaps. And actually you can even see some daylight where my wall goes across here and then my trusses come across here. And what happens is that this will actually, when it does settle, and it will settle with all the weight of the drywall, was coming back over here, you can see even more. And when it does that, it'll literally crack my drywall. And it's going to just create more and more problems. Look at that one right there. You can just literally see that right off there, right off the top there. So anyway, this is what you want to look for. It's an easy fix. Look at that one. That's a remarkable, isn't it? It's that bad. But anyway, just take a shim and put a little glue on there, some wood glue on there, and put that right up in there, slide that shim in there. That way it'll keep that solid. Simple fix, take a few minutes. But this is what quality looks like versus problems in the future. Oh, look at that one way over there. Can you see that one? Oh, my stars. You could drive a semi-truck underneath that one. Okay, that's an exaggeration, but it's bad, right? This isn't stupid contractor. This is lazy contractor. Oh, we need to do a whole video series on lazy contractors. This guy's winning. All right, folks, thank you for watching our videos. Hit like and subscribe. We appreciate you, all your support.